Here's an app called Giggles Aura Farm. I don't know what, like, it's climbing in the charts. You've been invited to the beta. Giggles is for anonymous meme gods, brain rot artists, and aura masters. What are you doing down there to get the app already? So here's the idea. So invest in viral videos plus 500 aura, earn and lose aura. So here you can just see, bring your ideas to life. I don't know whether Aura is some kind of like crypto token. So here let's just try to create an account. Aura network. So here you can then just create an account. And then there is also like a referral code in here. And then there is also, you can claim it, and then you need to enter a phone number. And then here's how it looks like. So now
Want to know how to
you have it like this. I don't know. So that's kind of like a copy of TikTok app, and then you can just get additional aura. You can just seems share this code. So feel free to use this app, and that's basically the idea in here. So there you have it, and then so here you have it. So start scrolling. I don't completely yet understand the concept of the app. So you're just scrolling in here, great, but what is that? And then global chat rules, and then you have your aura. You can rank, you can see it in here, you can get access, and then you just have it in details, and then you can share profile in here. So that's basically it.